Well, now to a story you'll see only on 2. Families say they're getting ripped off when they log on to the Cook County court hearings through Zoom.
Loved ones think they're paying to get inmates released from custody, only to discover they're out thousands of dollars to con artists. CBS 2's Jermont Terry live for us tonight at the Layton Criminal Building with more on what those duped want to see done. Jermont?
Joe and Erica, the simple answer, those scam, they want some accountability from the people who work here at the Cook County courts. They cannot understand how these scammers are still able to log on and rip people off. Now, in this most recent case, the scammer posed as an assistant state's attorney.
It's hurtful.
Sushi Staples and her brother-in-law are furious to know they fell victim to a scam.
I told my husband he was coming home and he's not.
Back in May, her husband was in Cook County court for an appeals hearing.
We watched the court hearing on Zoom.
After logging on, she realized their paid attorney was a no-show. That's when she got a message in the chat room.
An assistant state's attorney messaged me on Zoom and said, "Hey, what case are you here for?" I said,
she believed she was messaging with someone from the DA's office. Why did you feel so comfortable?
Because the assistant state's attorney picture was there, his name was there. He said, "Well, here's the lawyer that's stepping in for him. Log off, call this number, and he'll be able to assist you with the case."
And when this wife called the number, the person on the other end was convincing.
They knew that he was on his post-conviction.
The caller convinced her after 15 years behind bars for murder, Keith Pikes was getting out. Receipts show she sent money via Zelle for just over $6,000 for a release that never happened. Last month, another woman lost $500 in a bond hearing when she says someone scammed her on Zelle too.
I just thought it was just us. And then when I saw your story of somebody else.
Now this family is left wondering why and how is this still going on. The Office of the Chief Judge oversees the Zoom links and says the warnings on its web page makes it clear never to pay via online apps and warns of the scam. But is that enough?
Yes, they definitely need better internet security as far as if they're going to keep the Zoom.
They're questioning if the courts care about the toll the scam is having on everyone.
The inmates are only losing they're getting emotional damage. Their families are getting financial and emotional damage.
And it turns out that this family has sent their money to the same Zelle account used by a scammer in the previous report that we talked about. It leaves them to wonder why investigators cannot connect the dot in these cases. Now, we are told by the Office of the Chief Judge that Zoom is not going away anytime soon. So those scam, they're asking one simple question. Why can't the court simply disable the messaging in these Zoom court hearings so that there are no more victims? Reporting live outside the criminal Layton Courthouse, Jermont Terry, CBS 2 News.
Yeah, Jermont, thank you very much.